Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be playing Subway Surfers. Yeah. So let me just move on to my bed because I'm like kneeling. So, oh, a fabulous Friday. Go search the subway. Okay. So let's tap. So let's go search. Well, really what I was doing this is trying to find the big mystery thing. So if we find in this video, that will be absolutely great. Woo! So let's go search the subway. Oh. Woo. Oh, dang it, there was like a thing. A thing. Dang it. Let's double up my coin. But oh god, I hate these bits because there's like two coming on like an edge and then you go the other way like that and then oh, my dad's home. Oh, I really hope. Oh, I got like 308 coins. Awesome. Dang it! Oh, top one. No. I have a bronze. Let's change my character. So, I've got Tricky, Jake, Dino. I want her. No, I don't want her. No. Her. No, I don't want it. No. Oh my god, did I just spend my money on that? Oh, I don't need. Well, I haven't anyway, so.
Oh, I like that.
Let's make it just I bought him. I don't want that game. I'm recording right now. Well, let's just play anyway. I'm so sad. Woo! What? I'm really bad at this game right now. Because I'm still like waking up.
Okay. You don't have to draw mine here. I can do it myself. I'll set it.
Do. Dang it. It's still a mystery box. Wouldn't it be awesome if we hit the jackpot of giving like 100,000 coins? That would be awesome. Do. no point in even hearing this. Yes! Oh, I love it. Let's just go over here. Yes. Oh, I got fresh. Double up. Let's watch it air. Chocolate factory. Whoa, you won like $27 million. It's nearly done. We just did this stuff. Look how many millions of dollars. Imagine all that. It'll be awesome. I know someone who's a millionaire. I don't know them. Just my dad's boss. Here you go. I got an award. That's awesome. I got an award. Best 22 2000. That's cool. Oh my god, imagine getting that much. It would go like. Well, that's really the end of the video. Wait, no, it's not. No, it's not. I'll do it for a little more longer. Because I want to find that super prize. No, I don't want to. You go. I'm really bad at this game. But we're going to find that golden present. No matter what, we're finding it. Yes, I got 1 coin. Dang it! But can I just keep running? I wish you could press a button where it like stops. So you could like turn. Yes, I only got like 11 coins. Once I got 1,000 coins. That was my high score. Yeah. That's what I mean, like, there's like 2 cars and you're like in the middle and then you're like, oh my god, there's a train coming up. So like, there's 2 coming down and then you're like, oh my god, there's a train coming right there. You do that, you get hit. No, I wanted to go there. Why? Yeah. You, hey. Oh, I keep doing that. That's probably like a big, like... Well, I'm really disappointed that we didn't find the golden present. But that was the end of the video. I've done like 3 videos on episode Roblox and Subway Surfers. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. And if I hit 20 subscribers, there will be something very, very big. A big thing, like maybe an animation or something. So please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!